Are you ready to learn a new note? Okay. So let's review Bow Wow Wow because that's the song that we've been reviewing all of our things in. So let's sing it first. Sing it with me and tap the beat. Here we go. Bow wow wow. Whose dog art thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog. Bow wow wow. That third phrase. Little Tommy Tucker's dog. We've painted it in the air. And we've also answered questions where we've discovered that the lowest note is at the end and the rest of the solfege is so, la, so, mi, lo. That low note, we've heard that it lives a skip below mi. Mi to low, that's a skip. And when we have a note that lives a skip below mi, we call it do, D, O, and the hand sign looks like this. Here's our so hand sign, here's our mi hand sign, here's our la hand sign, here's our do. So now we can sing so, la, so, mi, do. So we're going to sing bow wow wow now with all of the syllables except for at the end. Let's just sing bow wow wow at the end because we want to remember the song and we like to hear what he says. Ready? Here we go. Do, 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 mi, 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 mi. So, la, so, mi, do. Bow wow wow. Did you know there are other songs that you already know that have a do in it? Here they are. Sorry. Button, you must wander, wander, wander. Button, you must wander everywhere. Bright eyes will find you, sharp eyes will find you. Button, you must wander everywhere. Bright eyes will find you. There's your do right there. And in fact, it goes la, 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 so, do. La to so leaps right over me and goes down to do. So poor little so. So now I'm going to sing the words and you echo back with the so's, me's, do's, la's, whatever they may be. We're just going to do just that part of Button You Must Wander. Here we go. Bright eyes will find you, sharp eyes will find you. So, do, la, 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 so, do. Good. Okay. Here's the next song. There are tons of them in this song. I have lost the closet key in some lady's garden. I have lost the closet key in some lady's garden. So here's what I'm going to do. Phrase 1 and 3 have them. 2 and 4, we're just going to stick with the tas and toddies. So here's what you're going to do. Phrase 1, do's and me's. Phrase 2, ta and toddy. Phrase 3, do and me. Phrase 4, ta and toddy. Good luck. Follow along with you here. Here I go. I have lost the closet key. Do, do, me, do, do, me. In some lady's garden. Toddy, toddy, ta, ta. I have lost the closet key. Do, do, me, do, do, me. In some lady's garden. Toddy, toddy, ta, ta. Ooh, don't you love it when you know a whole song? Okay, here's another one. I think there's only one in this song. Let's double check. I'm on the king's line. The king is not at home. He has gone to Boston to buy his wife a comb. It's at the very end. So, do. So we're going to sing phrase by phrase with the solfege. And don't forget the end at the end. Here we go. I'm on the king's line. The king is not at home. So, la, so, me, so, la, so. He has gone to Boston to buy his wife a comb. So, la, so, me, so, do. Woohoo! Nice job. Too easy. This one has a ton of fun. Mouse, mousey, little mousey, hurry, hurry, do, or the kitty in the mousey will be chasing you. Run. Do you remember that new song? Okay, so same thing. I will sing words. You echo back. Da, 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 da. There's lots of them in there. Here I go, ready. Mouse, mousey, little mousey. So-me-do, so-me-do. Hurry, hurry, do. So-do, do, do, do. Or the kitty in the housey. So-me-do, so-me-do. Will be chasing you. So-do, do, do, do. Nice job. Last one. It's been a long time since we sung this song, but I'm pretty sure you remember it. See if you can figure out where the dough is. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Da-da-dum, old. Good. So same thing. I'll sing words. You echo back with so's and me's and do's. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold. So me me so, so me me so. Peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. So me me so me do. Some like it hot, some like it cold. So me me so me so. Some like it in the pot, 9 days old. So me me do. Awesome. So now your homework is to sing Bow Wow Wow, going back to our original Bow Wow Wow, with all of the solfege that you know, except at the end to sing Bow Wow Wow so we remember what he says. So let's review it one more time before we go. Ready, here we go with solfege. Do, do, do. Mi,